Hi, my name is Greg Mumm. I've been a certified personal trainer for about 10 years now. Even wrote the book, Eat, Exercise Less. I have spent a lifetime collecting information that can help you lose weight, gain energy, and build muscle. This course is about short, effective workouts. It includes the powerful E3C workout. This course includes stuff that works. I have found there's a soft side to workouts, how to conquer boredom, how to become motivated, and a hard side to workouts. Which exercises melt fat, which exercises build muscle. There's more to exercise than the exercises. If you are healthy between the ages of 20 and 50, this course is for you. If you're not healthy, if you're obese, if your doctor said you shouldn't participate in vigorous physical activity, this course isn't for you. This course will not discuss nutrition. This course will not promise you can do 2 minutes of light yoga before you go to bed every night and you'll lose 25 pounds a week. It's not true. This course is laser focused on short, effective workouts. Information you can use for a lifetime. Let me show you how.